Hello YouTube, Model Car Guy here, welcome back. And today I got me two new kits. Let's start with this one. Got these at Walmart. 1964 Oldsmobile Cutlass 442, which means 4-barrel, 4-speed, dual exhaust. This is basically the exact same kit as the Oldsmobile convertible I built. It just has a few different. It has two motors and this is a hard top of it. And then I'm gonna go with the custom look. I'm not sure what color I'm gonna paint it. Might do yellow, but we'll see. Then here got a 1994 Ford F-150 Lightning. Ford Lightning. It's a ATM replica kit of Ford SVT's Ponent muscle truck. Captures every detail in 1/25 scale. Comes with a 240 horsepower, 351 cubic inch high output V8. And it's a E4OD 4-speed automatic transmission. So we might try to detail this up. Not sure what color we're going to paint it, but hope you enjoy this small video. And comment down below which one of these you want to see, or any of the others that I have. I will build. Think about a 53 Ford next, but I'm not sure when I'll do it. So see you guys later. Please like, comment, and subscribe.